Follow these steps to file your HP action. First, go to the housing court in the borough where you live. You can get the forms for the HP action in the clerk's office. This is what they look like. When you get the forms, the court will give you a sample of the portions that need to be filled out so you can easily follow along. You'll need the name and address of your landlord. The forms will give you the opportunity to list each violation in the apartment. After you fill out the forms, you'll need to file it. This costs $45, but you can file a fee waiver if you can't afford it. Next, you'll have to give a copy of the forms to your landlord and to HPD. The court will explain how to do this. During the case, an HPD inspector will be sent to your home to confirm the violations in the apartment. Make sure that you have photo evidence of everything that's wrong and communications with your landlord to use in court. The judge will then decide what repairs need to be made in your home. And that's how you file an HP action.